Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making walking tacos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first I'm going to make the sauce for the walking tacos, and this is a vinegar type sauce instead of like a taco sauce or just salsa on top. It's really good, and it goes really well with like Cool Ranch Doritos or even regular Doritos. So in a cup that has like a screw on top so it shuts really well, I'm going to combine all the sauce ingredients. This would also be good in like a mason jar or anything like that. So I'm going to combine 2/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 of a cup of ketchup, 1/4 a cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Shake it up. Now I'm just going to stick this into the fridge and wait until we need it to pour over the taco stuff, and shake it up before then as well. Now I'm going to add in my hamburger meat, and I'm going to cook this on medium until it's cooked fully through. If you have oil to drain it from the pan, and make sure your meat is still like a little bit moist, so you don't want to drain like everything from it. To the meat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of paprika, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. A little bit of chopped cilantro. And I'm going to mix this all together. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and walk y'all through making them. And you can use the Doritos, or you can use the Cool Ranch Doritos, or I guess you could use tortilla chips if that's what you prefer. I personally like the nacho cheese Doritos, but I know a lot of my family likes the Cool Ranch, so I'll show y'all with that. Add whatever you want into the walking tacos. I'm just gonna add cheese, cheddar cheese, and sour cream, lettuce, onions, the corn. I'm not putting tomatoes in mine. And you can add some beef in there. And you add your sauce on top. Shake it all together. And it's ready to enjoy. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.